Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change our touch and hold delay of the touchscreen in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option? First of all, we need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options menu. In here, in interaction and dexterity, we have our touch and hold delay. By default, we have half a second. Of course, we can shorten this option, or we can set up a longer time. Of course, we can set up custom if we want to. As you can see, we only choose one. There is no save or anything. We can simply and safely go back to our home screen, and the touchscreen delay will be remembered by our phone. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a good night and goodbye.